Hello everyone, welcome to Golias Trading Systems. Today, we are going to configure a trading bot using CryptoHopper, based on the Golias signals. First of all, make sure to subscribe CryptoHopper. The minimum subscription to use these signals is the Explorer subscription. If you still don't have an active subscription, I'll leave a link down below that can give you a free trial of 14 days. Another important thing, this service is only available for Binance users. On a near future, we might provide these signals to other exchanges also. Okay, without further ado, let's dig into the configuration. Assuming that you have the subscription active already, let's select the Config tab and select Base Config. On the basic settings, we select the name of our bot. For now, let's leave the live bot switch in the off position. We'll come back later to this feature, don't worry. Just a note. Remember to hit the Save button before moving to the next tab. Having said that, let's pick a name. I've named mine Golias Trading Bot, but you can name it whatever you feel like. Next, on the Exchange tab, let's select Binance and get the API keys from Binance. Let's leave the Use Ticker Rate at Highest Bid, Lowest Ask. You can set up the notifications as you wish. I'll keep mine disabled, it gets annoying sometimes. Here, on the Buy Settings tab, there are a few key things to configure. On the order type, I'd prefer market order instead of limit order, because I want to enter the trade immediately. If I choose limit order, I might not get the order filled, if the price is moving fast. You can set 10 minutes on the Max Open Time Buy field. On the Max Open Positions, let's select 20. Max Percentage Open Positions per coin, select 10. This will allow the bot to have a maximum of 2 open positions per coin. Sometimes the signals can broadcast 2 times the same coin. All other fields, just leave it off. Moving to the next tab, Coins and Amounts, let's select USDT as the base currency. Now, let's select the coin list recommended by the Golias Signals Pro. I'll leave those in the video description. Remember that, to have access to the leveraged tokens used here, you need to activate them on your Binance account. Percentage buy amount, select 10%. And you can leave the other 2 fields blank. This way, if your total wallet increases, you will be able to profit more for each trade, over and over. If you have 1000 USDT today, the trades would be 100 USDT. But if in the future your gains are $200, your total now is $1,200, so the trades will be $120, which will give you more and more profit every time. Now, on the Strategy tab, let's activate the toggle signals only, to on, and the number of targets to buy, set 10. Leave the trailing stop buy off. On the Sell settings, we select 25 on the Take Profit. Again, order type, market. We want to exit the trade immediately. And let's set the max open time sell to 5 minutes. On the Sell Strategy tab, let's leave all off. Next, within the Stop Loss tab, we enable it, and set the stop loss percentage to 2.1. This value was a generic result based on a battery of backtests. We've had good backtest results with it. Moving on to the trailing stop loss. We want it enabled, and again, after a care study and backtests, we came up with these values. 0.9 on the trailing stop loss percentage and 2.9 at the ARM trailing stop loss. We don't want to use trailing stop loss only, because that will conflict with the values that sometimes come within the signals. In most of the cases, the signals bring their own trailing stop loss, and if we activate this, it can conflict. Now, the next 2 fields, just leave it off. Auto close, shorting settings and dollar cost averaging are not intended, so let's leave it there. Now, let's subscribe the Golias Signals Pro. Hit the Marketplace tab on the left of the screen. Now, select Signals. On the search box, type in Golias. Now, there are 2 options: the free signals and the pro signals. The free signals only use 3 coins and very low frequency. For bigger profits, let's choose the Golias Signals Pro. Here you have a lot of information about these signals. Don't mind the statistics on the top page. Those stats aren't taking into account this latest updates made, so it'll get better and better with time. Hit the subscribe button, then you'll be directed to pay. After all that, you will come back to Config, Signals on the left panel. On the signals, we hit Configure, and a screen will come up. On this screen we only select two things, Sell Signals and Signal Configuration to On. This will allow the signals to configure your take profit, trailing stop loss and stop loss, if the signal has that configuration within it. Okay, we are all set. Time to activate the bot. Let's head back to Config, Base Config, and select the Basic Settings tab. Hit that Live Bot button to the on position and you're good to go. Now go to the dashboard, and just wait patiently for the signals to come. If you're tired of waiting, head on to our Discord server, and have a talk with the community. Thanks for watching this video, and don't forget to hit that like button below, and the button next to it that says subscribe, and activate that little small bell, so you'll be immediately notified whenever we release another video. Alright then. Time to say goodbye, so goodbye.